I'm a very caring, empathetic person, and I just love to help people. So knowing that my content is helping drivers make better decisions about their career every single day is so rewarding.
As a writer who's looking for a change or a new opportunity, I wouldn't hesitate to apply for a job in the transportation industry. I know it's maybe not an industry you would initially think would be a good spot to use those skills and abilities, but transportation is a vibrant, essential industry. And there's a lot to know, there's a lot to write about.
Whether you've been a writer for a long time or you're looking for your first role as a writer, this position is such a great opportunity for you. You not only get the chance to learn everything that you need to know about the transportation industry, but you also have the chance to grow your skill set exponentially as a writer and as a digital marketing professional.
This particular position is so critically important to bring. It is the author of that voice. It really gets that out there and gets the tens of thousands of people that are reading this kind of content on our website every month. You are the author of that voice.
I've always loved helping people, and now I get to do that alongside a very creative, very silly and fun team, usually over a cup of cold brew.
Hello. My name is Eli Simonson. I am the digital marketing lead here at Anderson Trucking Service. I've been here for many moons.
Hi, my name is Cassidy and I am one of the digital content specialists at Anderson Trucking Service. I've been here for just over a year and a half.
26 months, probably 270 maybe published articles.
A typical day for me looks like reviewing analytics, interviewing subject matter experts, and then writing content.
Collaborating with other members of the marketing team, putting together email and other campaigns for various members of the organization, the sales teams, the recruiting teams. Anything written, I am writing.
Being a writer at ATS is such a rewarding, fun job. Every day feels a little bit different. I'm always learning something new. The trucking industry seems like it might be a really dry subject where everything's kind of the same and it's the boring same old, same old. I'm always brainstorming a new topic, figuring out how I can help drivers.
As a digital content specialist, the most challenging parts of my job is, since ATS is such a vast organization and everyone has competing priorities, it's sometimes difficult to align the priorities of other people that I'm depending on to meet my goals each week with those goals and outcomes.
The most rewarding part of my job is by far the fact that I get to help drivers every single day.
I chose this job over others because it gave me the opportunity to leverage my creativity. It gave me the opportunity to grow, expand my skill set. I've done a lot. I've done a lot of development here.
I 100% never saw myself in transportation. This is not an industry I ever thought I would be a part of, but I very quickly became passionate about my role here and the transportation industry.
The good thing about the ATS team, and probably the unique thing about the ATS marketing team, is we are a small but mighty team of very high performers. We're looking for somebody that has the heart of a teacher, that really finds value and reward in being able to help people succeed. That is the mission that drives everybody at ATS. And we're looking for a self-starter and somebody who is going to be able to lean into and lean on the team around them of high performers to really help them continue to build themselves professionally, as well as help ATS succeed and achieve our goals.
I really like working at ATS because I get free coffee every single day. I do have a very cool boss and a cool team, so.
The first car I ever owned was a 1984 red Camaro.
My first car was a 2009 Subaru Forester.
My first car was a Pontiac Grand Prix.
It wasn't the greatest quality car.
With a hatchback, so I could fit a guitar and a drum case in there and stuff, so that was cool.
Well, technically, the first place we took it was on vacation because it was my parents' car and I bought it from them. We went to Wyoming.
I ended up having to have like a light switch to turn on the windshield wipers. It sucked in the winter. Do you have a name for your keyboard, Eli?
This?
Yeah. Can you show us the keyboard up close?
This is what would I call this? I'd probably call this like Hell Rider or something. Share yours in the comments. There's no comment section, is there?